Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure your recovery email and phone are reachable because providers will verify identity. Once signed in on the web or app, go straight to account or security settings. Don't wander through ads or inbox menus. You should already have a strong new password prepared, 12 or more characters, mixed letters, numbers, and symbols, since you'll need to enter it twice. This prevents lockouts and speeds the change process. You'll now perform the core change. Navigate to Security, then Password or Sign-in settings and choose Change Password. Enter your existing password to prove it's you, then type the new password exactly twice. Make sure characters match before submitting. If available, use the provider's Generate Password tool or your password manager to create and store a unique passphrase. Once done, update any email clients or devices that use that account so they won't stop syncing. Finish by signing out of other devices if the option exists. This closes sessions using the old password and improves security. Then validate the change. Send and receive a test message from web and a mobile client and update saved credentials and apps. If something goes wrong, login rejected or two-factor blocked, use your recovery email or phone to reset, or follow the provider's account verification flow. If recovery fails, contact support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.